So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Dash, ticker symbol DASH on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, just go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top search bar and type in ticker symbol DASH. Once it's here, go ahead and select it. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom right, press on Buy. Now, once you're here, you can type the amount of Dash you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $15 as an example, you can do 15. And if all looks good to you, go ahead and press on the purple button. Once you're on this page, you can review the transaction so you can see how much of the crypto that you're buying, the price it'll cost, the fee, the total, the method that you're paying with. And if all looks good, you can go to the bottom, press on confirm to confirm the transaction. So that is how to buy Dash crypto here on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.